Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Monday, October the 4th. It's 8:04. It's my off day. We're closed today at Melanated Fabrics. Again, if you don't know, we do have a brick and mortar store up in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are open Wednesday through Sunday from 11 to 6, and then we're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. So today's Monday, and I got up this morning after the children got on the bus at 6:45. I went ahead and started working out. So I did 15 minutes up and down the hill, and then I did 15 minutes of like a jump rope and dumbbell kind of workout. I just did 4 exercises and I repeated it 4 times. So that was my workout this morning. Showered, prayed. I did the Bible app scripture, and I listened to the little, like they have like a mini little teaching, if you will, elaborating on the scripture, and then they have like a little thinking kind of thing. I don't know, I can't put it into words, but if you have the Bible app, you know what I'm talking about. Every morning they have a new scripture, and then they have a minister, a pastor, a teacher from all around the world. One of them will come on and they'll just kind of elaborate on the scripture. They have a prayer, and so I love it. So I did that this morning, and now I am getting ready to drive to see our house. I'm really hoping that there's progress. We were told that the 27th, which was last week, that they would start framing, but I didn't get any pictures. Hubs didn't get any pictures, so I'm like, time for a drive-by. So I'm gonna gas up and get on the road. From where our family is in Columbus to where our house will be is an 1.5-hour drive, which is good. So yeah, and I'll actually be 45 minutes from work once we move, which is also good. Didn't want to be really close to the city. Hubs and I, we're sit on the back porch, listen to music, drink some sweet tea kind of people, and rock. So it's gonna be perfect for us. I can't wait. So I got an 1.5-hour drive, which is literally the same distance to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the road now, so then I can make it back in time to get the children off the bus and stuff. So let's go see our house. All right, turning into the neighborhood. It was about 1 hour and 40 minutes. It was raining when I first started driving, but it's not raining now. Okay. I just turned to a subdivision. Let me get myself together. Okay. The model home. Dog it, I wanted to go in there. Oh, they open at 11. It's 9:53. I guess I'll be staying here till 11 because I'm walking through there and I want to take y'all to the model home. I'm trying to figure out how all these houses get up before mine. Make it make sense. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's just a woman. Oh my gosh. Okay, coming through. I just need to see. Yo, I'm about to fight. Okay, there is some progress. I thought it was more progress, but it's not as much progress as I was hoping for. But it's progress. The concrete is poured. Oh my gosh. I need to see some walls. Okay, I'm on the vlogging camera now. Let me try to brighten it up so y'all can see me a little better. Okay. I was hoping I had walls, but you know what? I'm grateful for all progress, okay? All progress, I'm grateful for it. So the concrete is poured. That's a pretty big progress. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go walk. Let's go walk around and see carefully though, because I don't want to step on anything. Really wish I would have wore my tennis shoes because it's red dirt. Here we are. The concrete is poured. So that's progress. The last time you all saw it was just the box. But now you can see the subwall here. Let me see if I can zoom. Yeah, I can zoom. So you look and see this. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna see how far I can walk. I'm so excited. When I first pulled in, I thought that was my house. I was like, yes! Yeah, that's not mine. But you see how fast they go up? This house had nothing there the last time I was here, or at least I didn't maybe I didn't pay attention to it, but I didn't see anything there. In the last video I saw that house and that one. They started on the neighbor's house, which is good for them. Okay, I made it. Let me make sure they poured Hub's extension right. All right, y'all, so I just walked all the way around, and as you can see, the cement is poured, but I put Hubs on FaceTime so he could see first. And I'm gonna go to the model home when they open. It is 10:18. They don't open till 11, so I just gotta hang around till it opens because we gotta ask about this back patio. We wanted our patio extended to the widest and longest that it could go, but there's a gap here, and I'll show you all. So the patio door is gonna open from here, and we're like, well, we ain't gonna step out on no dirt and then step over here. This, from our impression and from the model home, it's right up against the house. Yeah, they have it matched up here with the side, but it what? That I don't understand. So when the model home, when they open, I'm gonna go over there and ask exactly what's gonna happen here. Or do they plan to pour more cement? And if not, then they're gonna have to pour some more cement, because there's no way you're gonna open out the door and step into grass or dirt and then step onto the concrete pad. That just makes no sense. So I'm really glad I came out here today, because this is a no-go. I do see that the fireplace is moved where we wanted it, because originally it's right here, but we wanted it over there, so that's good. And so yeah, I mean, from what I'm looking here, everything looks to be good except for this. So that's what I'm gonna go ask about when they open. Again, I'm happy that there is some progress happening. Again, it's just 10:20 now. They don't open the model home till 11. So I'm gonna go up around the street, grab a coffee, and just come back here and wait until they open, because I'm not leaving here until I know what is happening with this, because that ain't it. All right, y'all, it is 10:59. I'm right outside the model home. They are about to open at 11, so I'm gonna go in. Priority is to figure out what they're doing with that gap on the concrete on the patio. Then I'm gonna see if I can walk around and show you all parts of the home, so then when our home is finished, you can kind of just see the little differences that we had changed for ours. But I'm so excited, so let's go talk to the on-site is it realtor, the on-site sales associate, and see if they can get us some answers about what they're doing. Okay, y'all, I'm on my phone, but this is what our home will look like once it's done. Front door, right off of the front door is a half bath here. You have this here, and the stairs. Oh, no, you're fine. Stairs here. Half bath here. I'm just pretending I'm home. You're fine. Intruder alert. So here's the stairs here. And this is going to be a living area. I'm not going to show you all up on the walls because they have business stuff there, but just down here on the floor, we have like a light gray flooring. And this is going to be where we have our couch and maybe chairs for like a little sitting area. And I want to decorate it so I'll be able to like film and work in here. And then this space here, we'll put up barn doors, and I will just sew in this space, which is way bigger than the bedroom I used to sew in at our last house. And then we'll also put a sliding door there. Again, I can't give you all up too high because they have business on the wall and I don't want to show their business. Love these doors here. This again is right off of the front door. So front door, half bath, entry area. This is just like a closet here. And this is the garage. So garage is in here. And I'll put my big pattern drawer in here. That's where I would store that at. And then we'll have plenty of space in here for the vehicles. So this is the family room here. And we moved the fireplace from this wall to this wall. And so we'll have a third window here. And we wanted that so when we're here cooking, we can look out at the TV while we cook. So I'm up against the stove here. So this is the family area. Appliances, we have black appliances, not stainless steel. This is quartz, but I believe we have granite countertops, but we did get the white cabinets. And we're gonna put in our own backsplash. So this is the kitchen area here. Little island here, which I just love, 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 love. Little table here. We do have the double door pantry. And this is what that's gonna look like. Oops. I cannot wait. We also got the single sink. Excited about that because after we wash, we normally just put our dishes in the dishwasher anyway. So we didn't want to do the double sink. So here is downstairs. Again, we do have the double door pantry. And again, we'll have a barn door here, and that'll be my sewing room. I can't wait. Like I said, that space is bigger than the room that I was sewing in at the house. So that's gonna be a big space. We have carpet on the stairs, but all downstairs. All the lower level is gonna be that flooring. This is all gonna be carpet. And then we have a loft. We're gonna have a loft right here. So the stairs are gonna open here and we'll be able to walk over to the loft. This was an option to be a 5th bedroom, but we wanted to keep the natural light coming in upstairs, but we still wanted to utilize this space. So we're gonna have the loft, and that'll just be the children area where they can hang out, watch their TV, play their games. And so with the loft, this space gets taken away. So the laundry room is just gonna be right here from the door. It won't have this space again because that goes to the loft. But laundry is upstairs. This is the big linen closet, attic, and right off of the stairs is the master bedroom. We're gonna have our bed against this wall so that it's facing the TV and not the bathroom. So our bed will go here. I feel like that'll lengthen out the room also. So we'll put our bed here, maybe 2 chairs over there, have the TV, double doors to open the master's bathroom. So double doors here and double sinks. We opted out of getting mirrors put on the wall because we want to just buy our own framed mirror from like the home store or Home Goods. Just buy a nice decorative mirror because they said that if you put the square mirror up, that when you take it down, you may take down, you know, some of the plaster and drywall, all that stuff. and no one's doing that. We have the white cabinets throughout. This is the countertop that we have. It has like that little swirl in it. And then the lights are just those up there, which we like a lot. We didn't want the ones that come off of the wall, so we're happy that that's up there. Shower here. Tub. I got the tub. I am a soak in the tub kind of girl, so I'm really happy because we thought about getting just a shower and having a really big closet in here, but I enjoy taking baths. So we got the tub. Then you have the private door here, which yes. And we have a door that we're adding here onto the closet, so it would just kind of swing open here. We had the option to leave the door off, but I like the idea of closing off the closet just in case it's a mess or whatever. And so in here is our closet. Hubs in our closet. I would like to get one of those Kia iPad systems put in, maybe a mirror here, and have that nice pat system. That way you can have different things in it. You can organize your shoes, organize your jewelry, your hats, and I could have, you know, this side and Hubs could have that side. So yeah, it's a nice size closet for the both of us. Love it. I just think that pat system will allow us to organize more stuff instead of just hanging and putting stuff on the top. I don't know. I just want the pat system. So this is the master bathroom. So this is coming out of the master, going down this way. We'll probably put Justice in this room. And we'll probably put 2 twin beds in here for our 2 middle boys. Or maybe this, yeah, 2 twin beds in here for our 2 middle boys. This is the hall bath here. And this one will probably make our oldest son's room. And that way when family comes to visit, they can stay in here. And his room, which they have it's a nice size room. All the rooms are nice size. So like our family can stay in here. My mom already said she's gonna be sleeping with Justice. So we'll probably put like this room seems pretty big. Maybe we'll give this one to the 2 middle boys. And we can put Justice in here with like a full-size bed. So when my mom comes and visits, she can be in here with Justice. And then in this loft area here, we'll put like a pull-out sofa. So when family's here, Jay Sean can sleep here. So that's it. We're upstairs. Let's go back down. This is the back space, and we got our patio extended. That's what I'm here to ask them about, because as you can see, their patio is right up against the house, whereas ours had a gap there. So we need to figure out why was there a gap, because there wasn't a gap here. So that's what I have them looking into. I can't wait. So this is exactly what the exterior of ours will look like. I don't think we have the brick going across the garage. I think it's just down here matching with the brick here. So it's not up high, it's just all going to be down that portion. And I really wanted that white exterior paint with the black trim, but our neighbor got it first, and they really don't want each house to look the same. So Hubs picked his favorite exterior after that, because I was kind of sold on the white. I just knew we would be able to get it, but the neighbor beat me to it. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm about to get in the car and drive back. My questions have been answered, so it's time to go.